to Chef Jodhan YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, go right ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button and the notification bell. Thank you. If you want to see my entire playlist on YouTube, type Chef Jodhan Kitchen for all my amazing videos and delicious recipes. Hi guys, welcome back to Chef Jodhan YouTube channel, where you can find some of the best Caribbean dishes with step-by-step instruction. As always, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell and leave a comment below. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to Chef Jodhan YouTube cooking channel. Today I've received my yearly review from YouTube and it's looking great guys. Thank you so much. So let's continue to build this channel, let's continue to build a community. Thank you. Welcome back guys. Today we'll be cooking something so special all the way from Italy. That's right, a shrimp garlic pizza. Stay tuned for the step-by-step instructions. Here are the ingredients for our garlic shrimp Italian pizza. 1 cup warm water, 1 pack dry active yeast, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 2.5 cups all-purpose flour, 1 Sift all-purpose flour, 1.5 pound shrimp, 1 tablespoon fish seasoning, 1 tablespoon all-purpose seasoning, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon black pepper, 3 clove garlic finely chopped, 4 to 5 tablespoon tomato sauce, olive oil, and 1 pound or 4 cups shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 bell pepper, 1 red onion, and 2 tomato. Let's start the preparation for the dough. Here I have my 1 cup warm water, adding my 1 teaspoon sugar and my dry active yeast, 1 packet. Mix together. And set aside for 8 to 10 minutes until the yeast is active. In the meanwhile, our yeast is activating, we'll season our shrimp and allow it to marinate. Starting with the powdered seasoning. Garlic, fish seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, paprika, and black pepper. Mix it together well. You want to get all those shrimp coated with seasoning. Now set aside and allow to marinate for 10 to 15 minutes. Let's continue the dough preparation, adding my half teaspoon salt to my 2.5 cups sifted all-purpose flour. Mix together well. Make a well in the center. Then gradually add your active yeast. Add the remaining and mix well to form a ball. It's going to be a little sticky, but that's where more flour comes in. I'm going to add like a tablespoon more of flour to prevent it from sticking. I've kneaded for a few seconds. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon olive oil to help it form that smooth, soft dough. Knead about 5 minutes. Now that my dough has come together smooth and soft, I'm going to oil my bowl with about 2 or 1 tablespoon olive oil. Drizzle some on top. Cling wrap your bowl, or you could use a plastic bag. And set it aside to rise for 30 minutes or until double in size. In the meantime, our dough is being raised. We're going to cook the shrimp. I preheated 4 tablespoon oil over high heat. I'm just going to allow it to cook for 10 minutes, turning it constantly. Shrimp is being cooked. Let's prepare the topping for our pizza. Remove the seeds. Slice it thinly. Now dice it really small. Cutting my onion, slice it in 2 and cut thinly. You want to have strips like this. Slicing my tomatoes really thin also. It's time to roll that dough out and top it with our beautiful toppings. I set my oven to preheat at 450 Fahrenheit. If you don't have a Fahrenheit oven, you can set it at 240 degrees Celsius. Let's start the preparation. Remove your cling wrap. Knead your dough for 2 minutes more. Add some flour. I'm adding flour so it wouldn't be so oily and it's easy to work with. I don't have a pizza pan, so I use my oven tray and foil wrap it, completely covered. I'm going to spread a tablespoon of oil around it. Then transfer my dough onto the wrap and start spreading it out. Try to spread it evenly. And about half an inch thick. Perfect. Now spreading our tomato sauce completely covered. Adding half of our cheese over the sauce. Add your bell peppers over the cheese. Look at those beautiful colors. Adding my red onion now. Then adding my cooked shrimp. My tomato slices. and the remaining of our mozzarella cheese. Sprinkle evenly all around. Not forgetting our basil and oregano, 1 teaspoon each. Then pop it in the oven to bake for 20 minutes. Are you ready for the finished product of my garlic shrimp Italian pizza? Here we go. Look at that goodness. Watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment on my YouTube channel at Chef Jodhan. That's spelled CHEFJODHAN. Thank you for watching.